Hey, so I came here today because I would love to see this place. What is that? What is that? It's gone. I missed it. What was that? Oh my. Oh, what am I? What? This is really nice, y'all. This is really nice. So where did you guys stay?
Well, we stayed over at that apartment.
Can I do a tour of it? Can I see it real quick?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get it.
Come on, Sam. This is where we stayed. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Yo.
Welcome to our 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in Rosebank in Johannesburg. Okay? Alright, so this is the kitchen area. We have a stove, we had an oven, y'all. For the stove, turn on the stove, you have to do, what you gotta do? You gotta do this right. Okay, turn on the electricity. Go and turn it off because we're using it. Right? We had a microwave, you know, little bread canister thingy.
That's a turkey oven.
A turkey. That is for the bread.
Hold on, but don't forget the light fixtures. I like the light fixtures of the deep
Yeah. These is light fixtures. Good little night light because you know we need the stove light.
Hit it for him one time. Hit the bottom switch for him one time for him. See? Oh.
Y'all see a little good night light because you know us black people, the kitchen light is our night light, right?
The oven stove top.
Yeah, the oven stove top. You know, fan light, you know. Dishes, okay? Because y'all know the Demouchets like to cook dishes, all right? Pots,
Some cheese chowder.
cut boards and things. Okay, came fully equipped. Yep. Thank you so much. Oh, my favorite part of all. This is my favorite part. A dryer and a washer. What? A dryer and a washer. Who said Africa didn't have washer and dryers? Better ask somebody. All right, you know, kitchen sink, you know, refrigerator, stainless steel. I don't know why they hide. They hide. Scoop. The freezer is down here. The freezer. And the refrigerator, full size, okay? It's just a short stay. You ain't trying to move into these people's house, so that short stay. Baby, listen, they had everything. Ironing board, iron.
So much cabinet space too.
Yes, everything else is the pantry, but you know, they have some things up there. We ain't gonna be minding them people business, all right? Okay. All right, so that concludes the kitchen. Moving on. Okay, bedroom number 1. All right. It's a little small, I'll give you that. It's a little small, but you know, the most important part of it all, the bed. The bed. This bed was comfortable. Okay, very, very comfortable. Over here is a full-size mirror. You can check yourself out. You know, it's the only full-size mirror in the house, but you know, it's, at least we have one. Oh, we got one. You know, a little nightstand, little action, and another nightstand over on that way. You know, and they have these closets. Look, y'all, stop being in your suitcase the entire vacation. Unpack, okay? Unpack. It's your house. For now, just a little bit. Don't overstay your welcome. It has some hangers, you know, and some more little drawers, you know. It's a little tight in here, but you know, it did what it needs to do. Okay, so next we have the bathroom. So I have to be honest, this was our least favorite part of the apartment because when we first got here, there was a pungent odor. smell was a little bad. Like, it was to the point where we thought that the smell was contributing to the altitude sickness that we was having, right? And it was coming from the shower. And we tried to ignore it at first because we didn't want to offend, you know, but listen, about day 2, we had to contact the host, and the host got on it very quickly, okay? So this is the shower. We did not use it, again, because of the smell. Even after they flushed out whatever it was, we just didn't use it. You know, standard toilet, sink, and it has a drawer for you to put more of your belongings in, and underneath is where they keep the toilet paper. And this is the tub that we use. Yes, it was a little bit small for my husband, especially my husband and myself, but you know, the kids enjoyed it.
Okay, well, it's perfect size for you then, right?
No, not even for me.
Not even for you?
Baby, listen, my legs like this.
Lord.
But you can do the tub. I don't know what you call it. You know, regular bath. I don't know, or the shower.
Which I do recommend. Every shower should have one of these. If you don't, you can always change the knob off of the shower head, and then you can add one of these extendos. And it's very easy to do, but this was very usable, especially being that the tub wasn't the size that we're used to.
Yeah, so that's about it. Ain't nothing special. Told y'all this was our least favorite part. Oh, I do like the doors.
The glass.
The glass
See?
doors.
So if you look up, there's like a sweeping glass opening here, and then you have like a very foggish yet still stylish glass, which is nice.
Yeah. So first I have to shout out the most important parts, okay? Because without this part, y'all would not be seeing this video. I don't know what kind of internet they had, but never gave us a problem. Okay? Not a single problem. All right, this is the dining table, 4 chairs. You know, I do have to say this, originally this listing lists for 4 guests, but we do have a toddler, and we were coming into a lot of bumps when it came to hotel rooms and even 5 guest accommodations. So this host did graciously grant us the approval to stay here. All right.
And most importantly, here's the thing too, because our toddler, she's at an age where I feel like a lot of parents can relate to, where they don't want to sleep alone just yet.
Right.
She does, as you can see right now, she's all underneath her brothers, where she likes to sleep with them sometime when it's nap time. But when it's time for bed, she's definitely crawling in our bed, wee hours of the night, trying to figure out where's mommy, where's dad. So it was very beneficial at the same time to have 2 beds, because I wouldn't want to sleep alone.
Right, because the 3rd bed, nobody would have been in it. All right, so the host does equip this space with a heater for when it's cold, and it will be getting cold in South Africa pretty soon. So that's good to have. Don't know how many inches this is, but you know, they have the TV, they have the Netflix, they have the YouTube. What more do you need?
Nah, this is huge compared to you see.
Oh, is it?
It's huge.
What more do you need, right? A little table and a comfortable sofa.
The table is for the remote.
For the remote.
So how comfortable is the sofa, y'all?
Very comfortable. I could just like sleep on it.
Me too.
Which is really interesting. You mentioned Daniel and Demar, because if you remove those 2 big pillows back there, you can actually lay back and take a nap, because there's so much more space. Those pillows are really thick, by the way.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Sienna, you like the sofa? Tell the people. Where we at? You know, you can tell that this is an older space, but you know, the host, they hooked it up. Look the wallpaper. Look the wallpaper. You see, get into it. Get into it. Get into it. And they have these 2 giant mirrors, which is the reason I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all was like, oh look, I know where y'all at. Little noses. Now moving on to bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, another comfortable bed. You know, it's basically the same thing as bedroom number 1, except it has these 2 mirrors on the side. Like I said, you can tell it's an older apartment, but they spruced it up a little bit. You know, these have more closets, so I would say that this is the primary room. It just has like one extra closet. Oh, they equip you with blankets for the winter. It's almost winter here, so we were using the blankets. They always give you towels. This for us, we're gonna be in the sink. Don't worry about it. You know, some more drawers. And this is the extra closet that I was mentioning.
Yeah, this room is bigger.
Yes, it is. And another favorite part about this house. For the people who are used to AC like us, baby, put some water up in here. You got a cool air conditioner. And this one has the view. Can y'all see it? Poor child at night. When you in the bed, you just put this over like this, and you got the view. I don't know what part of Johannesburg that is, but it's a view. And that's basically it of this one. But now to our most favorite part of this apartment. Let's go.
This is the balcony. Is your probably just sits on the water?
Nice view, shows almost the whole town. Nice, nice.
So, real quick, you guys, I'm gonna give you guys my opinion of this location right here, because it's fitting the rain. But this isolated location has an amazing view and an amazing breeze control. Also, what I really enjoy about this spot is it's so level, right? This spot is where I come do my push-ups, I do my nice workouts at, I do like jumping jacks, whatever. And then if you look over here, if you open these windows, which have 3 of them, they have this one, and this one. Once this breeze starts to come in and out this room, ooh, you're gonna feel it sitting down on the sofa, and you got this amazing glass opening that also contributes to the view. Now, if you can look over what you guys already saw, you can lean over here, man. You can just enjoy it, like, you feel me? You can see the beautiful people passing back and forth doing their thing, man. The activity of the city. Anytime you wake up in the mornings and you come out here, this shouldn't, your day shouldn't start off bad. They should not start off bad at all. This is probably one of the best spots inside of the home. Definitely a 10 out of 10, and I highly do recommend people book over here and get y'all views on and come get your relaxation on as well. Oh, even when it gets dark, it has a light out here, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Keep pulling, pull some more. There you go, keep going. And that's the house review. South Africa is showing mad love. 10 out of 10, and you do not want to miss a spot.
All right.